This video walks you through how to create a Shopify Kindle store. Now start from your Shopify admin dashboard where you are already signed in. From the left side menu, click Products, then click Add Product to create your first Kindle listing. On the product page, enter the Kindle title and write the description. Include the details a customer would expect to see, such as the scent, the size, the wax type, and the estimated burn time. Keep the wording clear so the product page answers the main buying questions. Next, move to the media section and upload your Kindle images. Add the photos you want customers to see on the product page. After that, enter the price and configure the inventory information for that Kindle. If the Kindle comes in more than one size, scent, or style, add those as product options or variants so customers can choose the version they want. Once that is done, complete the rest of the product information shown on the page and click Save. Repeat the same process for each additional Kindle you plan to sell, so your store has all of your products added before you organize the storefront. When your products are in place, go to Products, then Collections. Create collections to group your candles into categories such as scented candles, seasonal candles, or gift sets. This gives your catalog structure and makes it easier to connect products to your storefront navigation and homepage sections. Next, go to Online Store, then Themes. Find the theme you want to use for your candle store and click Customize. In the theme editor, update the parts of the storefront that define the brand, including your logo, colors, fonts, header, and announcement bar. Adjust those elements so the overall look matches your Kindle brand. Then add the homepage sections you want visitors to see. This can include featured candles, collections, promotional banners, and brand information. After adding those sections, arrange them in the order you want them displayed on the homepage. When the layout and branding are in place, click Save to keep the storefront changes. Now go to Online Store, then Navigation. Configure your menus so customers can reach your Kindle products, collections, and important pages without extra clicks. After navigation, open Settings and go to Payments to set up the payment methods you want to accept. Then go to Shipping and Delivery and configure your shipping rates and delivery options. To finish, preview the store and check that the products display correctly, the collections are organized properly, the navigation links go to the right places, and the checkout works as expected. Thanks for watching. Your Shopify Candle store is now created with products, collections, storefront customization, navigation, payments, and shipping settings in place.